Hi everybody, this is CR number 13, helper video number 1, and it says simplify. So what we're going to do is we are going to start by doing order of operations. Order of operations is what you guys all know as PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, right? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division in order, addition and subtraction in order, left to right. So the first one we're going to look for is parentheses, and I see parentheses up here. I'm going to start the problem up here just to save myself some room. I have 5 minus 2, and 5 minus 2 is 3. I'm going to bring that down. The exponent of 3 to the third I did not use. I'm bringing it down, and the plus sign. Then I'm going to bring down divided by 3, and then the plus sign. Now I have 5 minus 3 in parentheses, which is 2. So I'm bringing that down with the exponent of 2. So now I am done with parentheses. I'm going to now look at exponents. I have exponents here, 3 to the third power. Try to remember 3 to the third power just means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that down. Plus 3 divided by 3 plus, and then I have 2 to the second power, which means 2 times 2, which is 4. Remember, it means 2 2's being multiplied. That's what that exponent means. The base is what's being multiplied. The exponent tells me how many times. I'm done with exponents. I am now going to look for multiplication and division working left to right. Well, the only thing I see here is division, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So everything else I bring down. I have 27 plus 1, and then a plus 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work with addition, subtraction, left to right. So I have addition here, 27 plus 1 is 28. Bring down the plus 4, and 28 plus 4 is 32. Bam, that's what it is. Remember to follow those